Did you know some people make millions selling canned air? Yes, fresh mountain air sold online. Tourists from polluted cities buy it. Another one? A company that rents chickens. They drop off a hen at your house to lay fresh eggs. There's also a brand that sells rocks as pets. A rock with a care manual and a gift box. Or a cereal-only restaurant. It started in London and went global. One weird hit? A pillow shaped like a human arm. It's for people who want to sleep with someone, sort of. A girl made a living just by selling hugs. She charged for 30-second warm hugs on the street. And in Japan, there's a cafe made just for crying. They play sad movies and hand out tissues. The wild part? All of these strange ideas actually make serious money. Because what seems ridiculous can be gold if it hits an emotional need. Which one surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments.